Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Julie here, and we are back with another video on Playtime TV. And today we are going to be unboxing Barbie Club Chelsea doll. I am so excited to be sharing this video with you guys, and we are going to go ahead and do a little unboxing. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I post a new video. But without further ado, let's get on to the little unboxing. So as you could see, there is a Chelsea doll in here, and let me just go ahead and describe what she has on. She has a pink skirt with stars on it, and she also has blue shirt with the rocket on it, and it is just a very beautiful doll here. And as you can see, her hair is very nice, and yes, she has some yellow shoes on that you can see, and yes, this is a very beautiful doll. Okay, let's get on to the unboxing. We're gonna turn it here, and we can just tear it. This is what the box looks like. Pretty straightforward, but this is the new Chelsea doll, and this is what she looks like. This is her eyes and everything else, and these are her shoes. That was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Bye.